Hey ladies, ever feel like your belly has a mind of its own? Well, I'm here to show you how to tame that tummy and get a flat stomach, no matter your age. Stick around because these moves are game changers, especially for women in their 50s and beyond. I'm Louise, and I'm on a mission to prove that it's never too late to get back in shape and feel fabulous. Are you ready to transform your abs in just 10 minutes? Today, we're diving into a beginner-friendly workout that targets your midsection and burns belly fat, all while standing on your feet. Perfect for women over 50. Welcome to CompleteBodyCleanse.org. A huge shout out to all my wonderful subscribers. Your progress stories inspire me every day. Keep sharing your weight loss, strength gains, and fitness improvements. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and click the bell for more videos tailored just for you. Let me tell you a little story. A few years ago, I was struggling with my own fitness. After having kids and going through menopause, my body just wasn't the same. I felt like I was fighting a losing battle, but then I discovered these 4 standing ab exercises, and they changed everything. Today, I'm sharing them with you because I know they work. Now, I know what you're thinking. Standing ab exercises? Really? Yes, really, and the best part? No more struggling to get up and down off the floor. These exercises are perfect for anyone who hates traditional sit-ups and crunches. Plus, you can do them anywhere, even while waiting for your coffee to brew. Here's the controversial part. Forget about those crazy six-pack abs workouts you see all over social media. They're not realistic for most of us, and they can actually do more harm than good. What we need is a strong, healthy core that supports our daily activities and keeps us pain-free. So, let's get started with exercises that actually work. Standing crunches. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, arms overhead. Lift one knee and pull your arms down in a crunch motion. Slow and controlled, 10 reps for 3 sets. If you can do 30 in one go, even better. Crouching. Feet hip-width apart, hands together with fingers interlocking in front of you. Bend your knees slowly, keeping the soles of your feet firmly on the ground. Make sure your back is in an upright position. Engage your core throughout. Aim for 30 reps or start with 3 sets of 10. And toe touches. Try toe touching exercises, including standing, seated, dynamic, and twisted variations. Help improve flexibility in your hamstrings and lower back by reaching towards your toes while maintaining proper form and breathing. Alternate the exercise going from side to side, simple but effective. Aim for 30 reps in one set, with a 15-second break if needed. Forward punches, feet wider apart, knees slightly bent. Punch from side to side, twisting your torso and engaging your core. Aim for 30 continuous reps. Put these 4 exercises together for a quick, effective 5-minute workout. Consistency is key, so try to do this routine daily. And hey, why not add your favorite music to make it more fun? Remember, it's not just about looking good, it's about feeling strong and healthy. Increase your daily activity, reduce sedentary time, and follow a nutritious diet. And stay tuned for my 6-week transformation challenge launching soon. It's going to be epic. If you enjoyed this video, drop a comment below and subscribe to my channel for more weight loss tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.